Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to get that Superman skin pack in Minecraft Bedrock. So the first thing you want to know right there is going to be that it should be a Minecraft Bedrock application. So to get here, just type in Minecraft, and this is going to be the one you're seeing. Click on the one that says Java and Bedrock. Once you click on this one, look for the one that says PC, since we're using a PC for now. Click on Buy Now, as you can see right there. It will lead me on this platform. So the game costs around $40 for the deluxe collection. Standard is around $30. So once you have that game right there, go back to Google. So once you're in Google, type in here Superman skin, Minecraft, and this should be the one you're seeing. Click on that one, and this is going to be the website that you should be looking for. There are a lot of fake websites out there. Just to add up on the tutorial, try this one. That'll be a NordVPN checker. To make sure your website is legit, paste it right there and ask Nord to analyze it. If it gives you the green light, that's a legit website. Alright, so once you're in here, simply click on get this item. As you can see, it's totally for free with 5 skins. And that's gonna be it.